in school and it looks so hard.
Sets is very easy. You finish it in school. Then I will teach you.
Sir, can you teach us? Sir, can you tell us something about sets today so that we can give introduction in class?
No, beta,
No,
no,
sir,
beta.
please don't
Sets,
tell us. Sir, please don't tell
sets
us.
is very easy. You learn at school. After some time, I'll give you a revision. Sets is very easy.
So you have betrayed me.
So we did this question.
All right, it's never mind. We can do it once again. And please send to Ragini ma'am, Mr. Ba and Scooty. Scooty, your answer is partially correct because it's not simplified.
Oh. Sir, is it compulsory to simplify?
Sir, it was the most recent question we did.
But I asked everyone, no one answered. So I gave it once again.
While solving it, I remembered it. And I already have the answer written down, so I'm using that. Oh no, I sent it to the wrong person.
No.
All right, let's see. So, Smiley, send your answer. So it will be 14 by 3 multiplied by 7 by
Yes,
2.
sir.
So 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. 7 times 7 is 49 upon 3. So when you simplify it, you will get 16, 1 by 3. Why so many crosses, kids?
So I thought it was 5 instead of 3.
Wouldn't we get 12?
No, beta, we will not get 12.
Then 4 threes are 12.
4 threes are 12, but 16 threes are 48. And 12 threes are 36. So we want
So
We want what? We want 16.
proper then.
Yes, ma'am, today Candy is also absent and Dia is absent and Adya might join late.
No, I have to take out my notebook.
Next question. So now we will do divide. Now we will do what? Divide.
Sir?
Yes, divide, division of fractions. For example, I have to divide 4 by 5, divide by 2 by 3. So this is my divisor, right? I will do the reciprocal of the divisor. I will do the reciprocal of the divisor and then I will multiply. Then I will what? Multiply. So I will do the reciprocal of the divisor and multiply. So first step is divide changes to multiply and 2 by 3 का reciprocal हो जाएगा 3 by 2. Any
Excuse
doubts
me,
in
sir.
this?
Sir,
Yes.
we have to do the reciprocal.
Sir, why do we only do the reciprocal of the divisor? Instead of the divisor, we can also do with the dividend. The answer will still be the
No
same.
beta, no beta, no beta. See, look here.
Sir, I
7
made that
divided
mistake
by
in my
5
exam and lost 4 marks.
is 7 by 5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because आप divide को multiply कर देते हो 5 का reciprocal कर देते हो. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So same way here we will do that 2 by 3 का reciprocal 3 by 2. I will simply multiply now. 2 into 3 6 and 5 into 1 5. Do we understand?
Sir, how does this method work?
Yes.
Was there like science behind it or something? How does this work?
Science behind this is beta. Whatever by definition of fractions, if you have 7 by 5, it means 7 divide by 5. तो जो divide होता है वो denominator में चले जाता है. It becomes a part of the denominator. That is how it works. Okay.
Wise.
And the dividend remains in the numerator only.
And the dividend becomes the numerator. But sir, still, how does it work?
The same way I told you.
Sir, who invented fractions?
What?
I really need to have a talk with that person. Probably Egyptian or something. Really?
Do this question.
Sir, did the Egyptians start fractions? Were they the
I
first
don't know.
fractions?
I don't know.
Sir, do you teach astronomy? Where would you want to learn that? My wish, my life. Ragini ma'am, please don't check mine because I sent the wrong answer. Sir, do you teach astronomy?
No,
Then
I don't
can you
teach.
So, you know, there's an easy method to solve this.
No, beta will not go on easy methods
No,
right
sir,
now.
it's not like that. It's a way to remember. KFC. Keep
Yes,
the like that. What
keep
is
the like it.
keep it, then flip it, then change it.
All right. So except for Guy, everyone gave the correct answer. Guy is maybe wondering the method. And so 2
I'm not
by
wondering
3,
the method.
it will be 5 by 12. Next question.
Can you teach astronomy?
No, beta, I can't. Next question. 1 by 4. Divide by 4.5.
Sir, do you know someone who can teach astronomy?
Satu, I know Satu. He can teach it.
Oh, now I know why he asks about this. I got it.
Everybody knows why I ask. Sir, see, I ate nuts in the chocolate and I'm getting every single question right today.
That is why, no?
It's a coincidence.
So can I go bring my laptop charger?
Yes, you can if you want. If you can go bring your charger also. So Smiley Ruhan, look here. Mahuri, 1 by 4 will become 5 by 4, correct? Mahuri, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Then divide will change into multiply. And this
Yes.
will become 9 by 2. 9 by 2 will become what?
So it will get reciprocated.
So will become 2 by 9.
Yes, sir.
So remember, once again, I will explain you. Let me explain it the longer way, not the shorter way. This will become 5 by 4. Divide by 9 by 2. So then, because it is division, with the magical powers invested in me, divide changes into multiply, 9 by 2 changes into 2 by 9. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and I will get 5 into 1, 5, 2 into 9, 18. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Then what mistake did you do?
Sir, I wrote 9 by 2 before 5 by 2 and then I reciprocated 5 by 2. 5
Okay,
by
beta, I will explain once again. Always first write into improper, or get rid of the mixed fraction, then change divide into multiply. जो भी डिवाइजर हो जो बाद में लिखा हो उसका उल्टा पुल्टा कर दो, डिवाइजर का उल्टा पुल्टा. एंड इफ यू फॉरगेट किसका उल्टा पुल्टा करना है, इमेजिन चैटी है, चैटी का उल्टा पुल्टा कर, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड.
Okay, sir.
नेक्स्ट. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Sir, who invented this change? Like, who has the power to change division to multiplication?
Sato invented.
Sir, I don't have the power.
5 by 8 divided by 5 by 6. आध्या, बेटा कैन यू स्पीक. इसको जब आप इम्प्रॉपर में करोगे क्या आएगा? क्विकली.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
When you change this to improper, what will I get? Quickly. Quickly speak.
33.
How 33? 8 5s are 40. First we multiply, then we add. 8 5s are 40 plus 5. 45 by 8. 33 कैसे आ जाएगा? Now what will be the next step? Tell me. You know the method or you don't know, Adhya? बेटा बोलो ना, आप बोलो. यू नो द मेथड. इसके बाद क्या करना है कि यू डोंट नो?
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know. You know how to multiply fractions? Do you know how to multiply fractions? I'm waiting for you, बेटा. आपको multiply करने fractions आते हैं? All right, Gauri and Smiley, where is my answer? Mr. Bambi, again we got it wrong.
Sir, sorry. Sir, I copied the question wrong. Silly error.
So next, 45 by 8 multiplied by 6 by 5, the reciprocal of the divisor. 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45, 3 twos are 6, 2 threes are 6, and 2 fours are 8.
Sir, can I speak my answer?
No, beta, no. 1 second. So we have to do it with 2 threes are 6, and 2 fours are 8. So then 9 into 3 will be 27, and 4 into 1 will be 4. बेटा सेकंड ट्राई में करेक्ट आंसर आने का कोई यूज नहीं है. Yes or no?
Then we have to convert it.
Yes, then we have to convert it into mixed fraction also. 4 6 are 24.
3 by 4.
So this depends on your teacher. Basically, when we add and subtract, we compulsorily convert it into mixed. But when we multiply, divide, do as your teacher says. और अगर आप mixed में कर दोगे, no one can cut marks. But if you don't do in mixed, your teacher can cut marks. So don't give an opportunity to her to cut your marks. Next,
Sir,
I hope it is E. 2 1 by 10. Geet, you understood your mistake?
Yes, sir.
And Gauri, don't be the last person to send your answer. So Adya, once again, इसको आप improper में convert करके बताओ क्या बनेगा.
Sir, do we have to solve this question?
Yes, you have to solve this question. Adya, convert this into improper. What will you get? The first fraction.
21 upon 10.
21 upon 10. Then convert this into improper. What will you get?
3 upon 2.
3 upon 2. Now look here, beta. Whenever you have to divide, what happens whenever you have to divide? One second. So this is the divisor जिससे divide करते हैं. This you know, which is written after the divide sign. This is the divisor, correct?
Yes, sir.
So we write the dividend. जो first number है उसको मैं as it is लिख देता हूँ. Divide को multiply में change कर देता हूँ. And I do the reciprocal. Ulta means numerator at the top and numerator becomes the denominator. जैसे 3/2 का उल्टा क्या होगा? 2/3.
2/3.
So I do the reciprocal of the divisor. Now you know how to multiply them.
Yes, sir.
Mahuri, okay, multiply. Give me the answer. Mahuri, keep your camera on.
Wait for the typing error.
Gauri, again it is wrong. बेटा क्या आंसर भेजा गौरी आपने?
Sir, got 21/10 and 3 was
21 by
10.
फिर 21 कैसे आ जाएगा? ये 3 सिंप्लीफाई हो जाएगा ना. 3 डिवाइड बाय 3 1. 3 sevens are 21. Then we can simplify this 2 also. 2 divided by 2 1. 10 divided by 2 5. So I will get
So
7 by 5.
don't we have to do the reciprocal?
बेटा 3
Oh,
by 2 का रेसिप्रोकल 2 by 3 हो तो गया.
yeah. I straight away did it. I did not find the reciprocal. I just like put the multiplication sign together.
All right. Now can I give a tough question of multiplication? See guys, don't
Yes,
get
sir.
confused. This was division. Now I am going to give you of multiplication. So don't get confused. Not a very tough question.
Sir, can we do it with cutting?
Sir, can it be a star question?
Then give
So
us.
just check एक बार की last class में हमने किया था नहीं किया था. Just check once also because I am giving from the same source. So compliments to Sultan Chand for these questions.
What was Sultan?
The great Sultan.
Sir, we can
All
do
right.
this. Sir, can we do it with cutting?
Cutting कर सकते हो, but first remember we have to convert into improper. You cannot do cutting in
Sir, is
minced.
this a star question? Sir, this is a star
Yes, this
question.
is a star question. And these guy who brought flood, keep your camera on.
Who is these guy? DIS. What does that even mean?
So these guy, beta, are you able to understand everything at school? These guy, are you able to understand everything at school?
Oh, sir, I said yeah. And this means this. D
These
E
guy, these guy,
this guy.
these guy.
Okay, you know what? Same difference.
This guy. What is this guy done? This is an extremely multiplication. Yeah, is it compulsory that we have to solve this orally?
Beta, who said we have to solve this orally?
But can we try to solve this orally?
No, no, please no. Chatty, can you send me the screenshot?
Sir, what?
Chatty and Mr. Bambi, can you send me the screenshot?
Sir, okay. Sir, can I go for
Even
my
you can send.
notes?
Chip, even you can send. Yes, guys, गलत हुआ है. भेजो मुझे जल्दी भेजो. Send fast, quickly.
Sir, I don't have a mobile to send.
Did you eat it?
No.
Okay.
Send you, sir. Sir, I'll get it wrong.
We have to send it in. Can we send it in improper?
Wrong, definitely wrong.
Or can we send it in improper?
I knew it.
Yes, beta, you can send it in improper. Fine.
Wrong.
चैटी आप अपनी राइटिंग ही नहीं समझ पाते. ये जो लास्ट डिजिट है दैट इज नॉट 8, दैट इज 3. इट इज 8/3. ओ आपने उसका रेसिप्रोकल कर दिया, 3/8 कर दिया. This is multiplication. Why are you doing a reciprocal of this?
Sir, I also did reciprocal. I don't know
I
why.
told you, beta, this is multiplication.
Oh, I realized my mistake. Same, I also realized my mistake now.
Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Bambi, you also did reciprocal. Guys, ये multiplication है.
Sir, I did 6 plus 2, 7, but 6 plus 2 is 8.
So 56 upon
Seriously.
9 times 3 times 8/3. So then we can cut 3 and 3. Anything else we can cut? Can we cut anything else? No. So I will get 448 by 9, which you can convert it into mixed fraction.
How do we get 4 4? 56 upon 9. I did 9 6 are 63.
So many
Sir, can you give
crosses.
a break?
What is the break?
Yes, sir, can we get a break? A break
No,
is a
no,
time
no, no,
where we get to relax.
no.
Sir, I'm very tired.
Sir, what is the answer?
Beta
I'll put
448 by 9.
chat today. Sir,
Sir,
please.
but I simplified it.
Beta, you cannot simplify it. आपने
Sir, 3 minutes
multiplication
break.
में your mistake
3
was
minutes.
आपने multiplication में reciprocal कर दिया.
Sir, 3
It was
minutes break.
multiplication. So it will be 8/3 only.
Sir, 3 minutes break, please.
Guys, don't ask for breaks. 5 questions easy से हुए हैं. कोई
Sir,
tough
but
concept
that's what I've
Sir,
written
I'm very
8/3. Sir, I've written 8/3 only.
You sent me,
Answer was 448
but
by
you
9.
didn't send me the screenshot, na?
Sir,
अच्छा, you
me?
sent me.
I'll-
Let me check. Let me check. बेटा 448 3 से सिंप्लीफाई नहीं होगा. It is not divisible by 3. 4
Oh,
plus
sir,
4 plus 8 is 16. Not divisible by 3. Some of you made the simplification mistake,
Oh, we
like
should
Geetal
send
and
this.
Mr. Bambi. स्माइली आपने भी उल्टा पुल्टा कर दिया था बेटा. Multiplication में we don't do the reciprocal, we just do the reciprocal in division. You have to understand the logic, otherwise you will get so many crosses. Mr. Bambi, get back from the mode of music and come back into the class. You did not go through the recordings now, Mr. Bambi?
No, sir.
That is why. These two crosses tell me that you haven't gone through the recordings.
But I'm just left with half of it.
Yeah, when will you go through, Mr. Bambi?
Sir, today.
So, Smiley, send your answer.
Yes,
So, it
sir.
will, so divide will change into multiply, and then we'll do the reciprocal of the
I thought that was
divisor.
a minus sign. Sir, those
No,
two dots
beta,
are too
no.
small.
No, beta, no.
I thought it
You
was a
should have
minus
asked.
sign.
5 divided by 5, 1. 15 divided by 5, 3. 4 into 3 is 12 upon 7. Or 1, 5 by 7. All right, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So next question, we go to the next question. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Practice will make you perfect.
How does practice make you perfect?
You keep doing it so much that your mind gets the muscle memory of doing it.
So after this question, I will continue with negative numbers.
No, sir. Please no. Please no. Please no.
Why not?
Sir, I hate negative numbers. Sir, please
Sir,
fraction.
instead you can continue with our break.
So have I taught you the concept of absolute value? So it will be 19 by 6. Divide will change into multiply. And let me write it the step also so that we can understand better. 19 by 6 divide by 7 by 4. So it will be 19 by 6 multiplied by 4 by 7. So 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Then 19 into 2, 38. 7 into 3, 21. So my answer would be 117 by 21.
Sir, I by mistakenly sent to you.
Okay. So we will continue of now negative numbers. All right. So have I taught you absolute value concept?
Sir, what is that?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. What is that?
So absolute value concept means absolute value. Like you know na, I know magic. Everyone knows that. Is
Yes,
there
No,
sir.
anyone
Yes.
in
sir.
the class who
Sir,
doesn't
I
know?
don't
No,
believe
sir.
it.
Yes, sir. I
Okay,
don't
like
believe
that. So I know magic. We all know that, right?
it.
So I wanted to ask you one thing. Do you want to see a 7 days old manna bird? Do you want
Yes.
to
Sir,
see
what? Sir, what?
7 days old manna bird? Do you want to see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
It's
Manna
this
bird.
small. It's this small. Do
What's
you
a
want to see?
manna bird?
It's a real bird.
Sir,
Sir,
yes,
birds
sir.
Sir,
are
what's the size
so
of a
small
bird
and
when it's 7 days old?
Sir, sir,
Yes.
did
So
you
I
adopt it? Sir, at
the
my cousin's
counting
house, I
are some
saw
sort of
how a
toy like
bird's
that
egg
dog.
is hatched.
one
Sir,
by one.
Sir, how's
It's
your dog?
So dog is doing very good. So now let's see. I'll show you. Okay, all right. Since you have showed interest, I will show you. So first of all, let's look at the absolute value. So absolute value has magical powers like me. Whatever I put inside,
so
suppose
you're
I put inside 5.
supposed to show us a bird.
So suppose I put inside 5, so 5 will come out. So that's not magic, you will say. But if I put here -5, then also 5 would come out. So
Why?
whatever I put inside will come out positive only.
Yeah.
Positive and positive and positive. So what if I put -3, what will be my answer?
3.
3.
3. And if I put +3, what will be my answer?
3.
Plus
3.
3.
P.
3.
P.
Now if I put 5 -3, what will be my answer?
Sir, 2.
2. But if I put 3 -5, what would be my answer?
2.
Minus 2.
2.
2.
2.
So how many are saying 2? Raise your hands.
Me.
And how many are saying -2? Raise your hands.
Not me.
So any Gauri is saying -2, UV is saying -2. So see UV, when you like -2 will be 3 -5 is -2. So we will put -2 inside these magical lines. So I will get the +2 as the answer. Okay, UV.
Yes, sir.
So what does this absolute value tells me? It tells us the distance from 0 in the number line. I will show you how. For example, this is my number line. Now, do you guys know that distance is always positive? Do you guys know or you don't know?
Yes, sir.
So distance is always positive. If I ask you what is the distance of 0 to 2, you will say the distance is 2, right? Yes or no? Same way, if I ask you what is the distance of 0 till -2, again the distance is 2 only. So this is just for your explanation. This is not given in your book or anything. It's just the concept that absolute value gives us the distance of 0 to that number. Okay? So concept is this much only. What is the answer of 5 -12? Everyone give it to me in the chat. No, to ma'am in the chat. Till the time I'll look for the birdie. All right, guys, the bird is sleeping, so I can't bring. So, Smiley and Adya. So, what is 5 minus 12, Smiley and Adya?
Sir, can you repeat?
What is 5 minus 12, Smiley and Adya?
5
Just 5 minus 12.
Sir,
minus
which dog?
Minus minus 7. See, Smiley, look here, beta. First of all, what is the sign of 5?
plus. Sir, plus.
What is the sign of 12, Smiley?
Minus. Sir, minus.
So, are there, let Smiley speak. Are the signs same or different, beta?
Sir,
Smiley, ये plus different. तो जब भी different होगा, then we will subtract. जब भी numbers के sign different होंगे, we'll subtract.
yes.
So I will subtract 12 minus 5, I will get 7. Now I
7.
have to see, is my loss more or my profit more? Minus is loss, plus is profit. So is your loss more or your profit more?
Sir, profit.
Beta loss is more, na? It's minus 12. 5
sir.
plus तो 5 ही है. So means negative number is bigger. So you will get minus 7, which in the magic brackets of absolute value, we will get plus 7. Understood?
Sir, I sent my minus 7 only,
Sir,
but
which
did not write it. 5 questions to
Beta,
ask you.
the final answer will be plus 7, na?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have 5 questions to ask you. Can I ask?
Yes.
Sir, can I
sir,
annotate?
which dog do you have?
Sir, can I annotate?
You can annotate on the right side. Let me write the question on the left side. Do you give me the permission, Sintu?
6
Sir, which dog?
minus
Sir,
4.
which dog do you have?
Is 4 negative or positive?
Supposed to be negative.
4 is negative, beta.
And but if you put 2 minus, then 4 is
Positive. Because 2 minuses makes you positive. Now you have to write which one is greater and which one is smaller.
Sir, I did not understand that, like, when we have to say, like, minus 7 is equals to 7.
बेटा see, whatever negative thing we put in these absolute value sign, जैसे मैंने -100 put किया, it's
Yes.
not equal to, ये इसको convert कर देता है positive में. It doesn't mean
How?
कि -100 is equal to 100. This is magical brackets. They convert it. Okay?
Okay, sir. There are 3
Yes.
more questions to ask you. If it is
Beta, you ask on the right side. You have to use the less than greater than sign in this.
so,
And ma'am,
sir, we
please
can
don't
say
check
it
twice.
as
Please don't check twice for this type of question.
sir plus. If there are 2 plus, then
Plus only. दोनों profits add हो जाएंगे आपके.
sir, if it's 6 plus 4,
Then also better it will
positive.
remain plus. Na?
And sir,
Plus
if it
plus.
is 6 minus plus 4, then 4 is negative.
Then beta it's not being 4 is negative. When you merge the signs, जो final operation होता है उसमें 4 negative हो जाता है.
Like 6 minus plus 4.
Yes. Gauri and Smiley, give your answer quickly,
Sir,
beta,
in this
fast.
it is sir positive or negative?
In this, it is positive first, but when you combine the sign, it will become negative. Okay, we'll have to subtract it. So, Gauri, which one is greater? Quickly, beta. आपको केवल less than greater than sign
-26.
करना है.
-26.
Yes, beta. Don't take so much time. Smiley, you also just have to send the sign. All right. So, when I take this out from the brackets, this will become 53. This will become 26. Now, which one is greater? 53 is greater. Understood, Smiley, Gauri, Geet?
Bracket.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, guys, again, I am telling you, ये magical brackets है. It makes everything positive. This doesn't mean that minus 53 is greater than minus 26. This doesn't mean कि minus 53 is equal to 53. This does not mean that. ये केवल magical brackets है. ये positive बना देती हैं. This makes everything positive.
How
Once a very naughty boy, I will tell you, once a very naughty boy named UV was put into these magical brackets. And you know what came out? Mr. Blah came out. Mr. Ba came out. So you understand the magic of these brackets now?
so?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I didn't
again,
get
one more
what you have
example.
written. U
I
is equal to
am
Mr. Ba.
negative and
Once Gauri was put inside these magical brackets and Keith came out.
sir, so you mean to say that I am pessimistic and I have pessimism and Mr.
No,
Bhatt,
no. I
Sir, so
don't
we
want
can
to
write
say
Ananya is
anything.
equal to
that's
poop.
what you're trying to say. Negative,
No.
negative thoughts and pessimism.
No.
And
I don't want to say that. I
okay,
don't want to say that.
optimistic.
So then, suppose, sir, I have an example. We put Ananya and
Okay.
then after that we put stupid.
No. All right. Enough. Don't
Sir,
utter
which
no
dog breed do
personal
you have?
remarks. No personal remarks,
Sir, which
please.
dog breed do you have?
We put an Anya and get what? Mr. Bendy?
Sir, which dog breed do you have?
What are you saying, Gauri?
Sir, which dog breed do you have?
Which dog do I have?
Yes.
1 second. Let me upload the image. 1 minute, guys. I'm just uploading the image. Download of questions. With the magical powers in me, let the image come. Let the image of questions come on the screen. It's not coming.
No, sir, not your magical powers, sir, File's magical powers.
That you don't have magical powers. You should admit that.
I just admitted you don't have powers.
See, you can't open the questions. Oh no,
All right.
you opened the questions.
So first, let's do the 12th question. Everyone send the answer of the 12th question.
Sir, the way I can get all of these answers correct is by bringing my school maths notebook because this is
So
our
guys,
school book.
no talking. First do the 12th question. Give it in the chat.
Sir, integer only means negative numbers.
So integers means all positive numbers, all negative numbers and zero, but whole numbers without the fraction part. Like minus 10 plus 10, 0, minus 9 plus 9, minus 8 plus 8, all are integers.
Giving hints.
So, but there are like infinite of them.
Yes, God bless whoever is getting blessed.
UV scooty.
I am UY.
Hey,
Sir,
sir,
I made a huge tower.
there's some annotations on the
Sorry.
screen which is not letting me see the questions options.
Sir, it's cool.
So let's not waste any more time. So there are two integers whose absolute value will be 4. One is 4 and one is minus 4. Both of them will give me the absolute value as 4. Do we understand, kids? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No?
About
Have
10
you
minus
understood?
10 minus
Equal to 4.
Yeah?
So how? Because -4 is not equal to 4.
बेटा मैं यही तो बोल रहा हूँ, these are magical brackets.
Sir,
इनको
but it has magic.
these are called absolute value. Absolute value means -4 का डिस्टेंस 0 से, -4 का कितना डिस्टेंस है 0 से? डिस्टेंस इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. जैसे आई आस्क यू, आपका आपके फ्रेंड के घर से कितना
So
डिस्टेंस है?
10 minus 6 is also 4 then. So 10 minus 6 is also positive 4.
बेटा 10 minus 6 are not one integer ना. We are asking, we have to say one integer जिसकी value absolute value 4 हो. All right. ठीक है, not a big thing for discussion. ये question is just for building the concept. See, sometimes questions are for practice that we were doing of fractions, and sometimes questions are for just building your concept. उसका ये meaning नहीं होता आपका right हुआ wrong हुआ. It's just for bringing the concept. Next one is we'll see is yes. So one more example I want to give you. See, if in place of a number I write a variable a. So this is a slightly difficult to understand. Pay attention. So what will be the value then?
Sir, 1.
Yes?
Sir, 1. 1.
Sir,
No,
can you
it
repeat
will
what
not
you
be
said?
one.
Sir, can you repeat what you said? Sir,
It
can you
will
repeat
not
what you
be.
said?
It will not be one. It will not be number itself. It will not be a.
It will be
It
It
will be
will be
0.
what?
it will be A.
No, it will not be a.
So it will be something.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
So it can be anything. So it can be anything.
I will tell you. I will tell you. Let's say, suppose a is 5. Let's say. तो आपका आंसर क्या होगा? So
5.
it will just be a. Right? Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
बेटा it will, अगर ये a5 है तो आंसर भी 5 ही होगा ना, means it is equal to a only.
Yes.
Minus A.
And but if your a's value is let's say -5, यहाँ पे a की value 5 है. Let's say if the value of a is -5,
So then also it
तब
will be
absolute value of a क्या होगा?
A.
5.
A. A.
5.
A.
A.
बेटा a हो जाएगा तो यहाँ पे -5 आ जाएगा, वो तो हो ही नहीं सकता.
Plus A. Plus A. 5.
Sir, Sir, A
Minus
only.
A. Minus A.
So 5.
Yes, yes, it will be minus a. Why?
Why? But we
Because
we
a
will have
की
to
value
put all the
-5 है. जब आप -5 लिखोगे, it will again
Sir,
become
the
+5.
magic is gone.
Understood? If the a's value is -5, then the absolute value answer will be minus a, minus of -5.
But sir,
Sir, the magic has gone.
Magic has not gone, beta. It has become minus of -5. This is slightly difficult concept. धीरे से आएगा. मतलब you will not understand all at once. This is a difficult. थोड़ा सा it's difficult. Let's say, let's look here.
Sir, I cannot understand this.
If you have understood, well and good. If you have not understood, you will understood soon.
sir, how can it be double? How can it be -10?
Let's say 11th question A part. If a is a positive integer, means it is positive, it is more than 0, then its absolute value will be a only. Because it is positive, जैसे 5 है तो 5 ही रहेगा, 7 है तो 7 ही रहेगा. If it is 10, it will remain 10 only. Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, and if it is, next question, if the absolute value is, if a is a negative integer, then its absolute value will be
A.
what?
Minus A.
Minus a.
No, I did not get it. Can you
Minus
please once
A.
more?
I can explain it once more, beta.
The distance will
Suppose,
be the same.
Saturn, wait. Suppose if you have a number 5, if your A's value is 5, then answer क्या होगा इसका?
5.
So 5.
Let Meher speak 5. But if your A's value is -5, तो answer क्या होगा?
So 5.
5 ही होगा ना? But
Yes.
if you want it to write in terms of A, आप ऐसे लिख दोगे minus of -5. Yes or no? Can you
Yeah.
write it like this?
Then how minus of -5?
बेटा मैंने -5 बीच में लिख दिया, उसके आगे एक और माइनस साइन लगा दिया.
So then in that, would it be +5?
Which will
It
add up
will
to
be
5.
+5, na?
It will,
That
Sir,
is
I
what.
it will add up to plus.
Why would the answer be minus if after
How will
this
it be
Because
-10?
जब आप
Sir,
माइनस
two
ए
minuses
करोगे,
make a plus.
everyone,
Two minuses make a plus.
Gorish, please बेटा बोलो नहीं, it's a difficult concept. Let me speak. फिर नहीं समझ आया तो बोलो. See, +5 remains +5. This everyone has understood. -5 को either I can write +5. Can I write +5? I can write +5, yes or no? But वो +5 बना कैसे? When I added one more negative sign. When I added one more negative sign here, then it became +5. This is a thing you have to understand.
Understood, sir.
Okay?
But I got confused. In the end, why would you get minus?
That is what I am telling you, na beta. अगर -5 होगा, you will write it as, can you write it as minus of -5? Can you write it as minus of -5?
Yes.
Now, -5 is what? -5 is A. So it will become minus of A.
Oh, okay. So
Minus of any number does not mean it is always negative.
Sir, understood.
Minus of -10 is +10.
Because there are two minuses.
This is a start of higher level algebra. केवल एक दो questions हैं, like you will not probably get these questions in Olympiads.
Sir,
This
I
is
did
given.
not understand.
Chip, अभी रहने दो. You will understand. I will make you revise this after some time.
Sir,
Right
I
now,
understood.
yeah, we'll do it. You will understand, sir. Like later. इतना ज़्यादा stress नहीं करते इस concept को. Using the number line, give two possible integral values of x. So x greater than -7. Can you give me two integer values in which your x is greater than -7? Vasavi, if you don't look at the screen, you will never not understand.
Sir, 0.
Geet, keep your camera on. So what are the two integer values of x which are greater than -7? Speak up, everyone.
Sir,
So
many
plus 7.
numbers are greater than -7.
So it can be
So
anything.
plus 7.
It can be x equal to 0,
Plus 7.
x equal to 1,
X equal to 100. But it needs
x
to
equal
be.
to -6. Right?
Yes, sir.
So second question, x is less than 0. Give me two integer values in which x is less than 0.
-1000, -10,000.
Okay, fine. So give me everyone give me the answer for C part in the chat. Two integer values quickly.
So both P and C.
No, beta, only C.
which one's C?
Just the C part. Give it to me.
What's the C part?
Sir, every positive number.
Oh, I got it now.
Ragni, please check my answer. Sorry.
So the thing you were explaining absolute value, I understood that now. Voting? Sir, will you give a poll?
No, not giving a poll.
Sir, please.
So
Poll.
which dog breed do you have? Do you have a Shih Tzu, a Pomeranian, like Labrador?
So is Chatty here?
No, sir.
Excuse
He
me,
left.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have to go somewhere. Sir, can I leave? Sir,
No,
have you
beta,
told
just in 1 minute I am ending the meeting. So greater than -10 will be -8, x is -7, x equal to -9. So Wasabi, you stay back, rest everyone can leave.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Have a
Bye.
good
Thank
night.
you, sir.
So Wasabi, ma'am, you also can leave.